Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix Apex Legend no footstep sounds bug. As a few of them are kindly finding this issue, then I have to get a solution to this. But as of now, the most advisable method of fixing the no footstep sound bug in Apex Legend is to quit the match immediately when you notice this problem and manifesting. By doing this, you can be spread from the noise and simply join the queue again to find match where the footsteps are properly working. Needless to say that this is less than an ideal solution to the issue at the hand. Plus, it is not going to solve anything in ranked matches. However, as the footsteps are broken, we suggest you that you avoid being ranked for now if your present level is high enough. You can also concentrate better on in-game play events by lowering the music audio levels in the settings. So this is one of the handful solutions which you can try right now, but I'm not asking you to try it, but we just want to make you give a clear identification on what is all about it. So this is how you can fix Apex Legend no footstep and sound bug in, and you can find this completely helpful. And if you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section, which we'll get back to you. This is Shahin signing off from Guitar Tips. See you soon. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.